What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your brake lights on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. It's probably the same for multiple different years of Corollas, but all you have to do is you come inside, pop your trunk, come inside your trunk, you'll see these like rivets right here. All you really have to do is take out the top one. Just want to take like a screwdriver or something or some pliers and wiggle it out. It'll come out like that. And once you do that, you just kind of want to pull back on the trunk lining, pull it down. You don't need much. Right here, what you'll see pretty much is all your lights. And your brake light will be the one in the middle. That's right here. You gotta do is just spin it like that and pull it out, and you'll have your brake light out pretty much. And all you gotta do pretty much, make sure you do it with clean hands, is grab it and basically pull it out like that. And then you'll be able to take your new brake light, snap it back in, and then you just want to take it and stick it back into the opening that's right there. Like that, get it back in place. And once you have it back in place, all you gotta do is just turn it up and pretty much you'll be done. Also, what you'll see if you need to change out your other lights, like your turn signals, parking lights, anything like that, all this stuff will be right back here. You can get to it just by pulling back your trunk lining, by taking out the one little rivet pretty much that goes right here. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your brake lights, parking lights, as well as back turn signals on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. It's probably the same for multiple different years. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.